Let me begin by something that is fundamental, something that has always been the backbone of our strength as a union. NYSUT is financially strong. Yes, indeed. I want to thank the extraordinary NYSUT staff across every department in every region of the state. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your creativity. Thank you for your long hours. And thank you for your heart. You are the engine behind our progress. And this union is stronger because of you. NYSUT family, our work is not finished. Our mission is not complete. But together, we are unstoppable. When NYSUT leads, the nation follows. When we fight for justice together, we win. As Reverend Jackson reminded us, keep hope alive, keep hope alive, keep hope alive. God bless you all. Thank you.